guys, I'm back. I wanted to show you guys my new portable dryer. Well, new used. I got it from somebody like I did my washer. It's pretty much new. She only used it like 4 times. But it's COSTWAY, and it's one of the smaller ones because I live in an apartment and I just didn't want to have a big one in case we ever move out of here, which we are moving, just not anytime soon. So here's the information on it. This one holds 5.5 pounds of clothes, and here's my little vent, indoor vent that she sold that to me with the dryer, and this has water in it, and that's what catches the lint. Does get a little warm, but the door's cracked a little bit, so it'll be okay. So here is the knob for the settings. It has 200 minutes to maximum heat or time. That's the hottest. It has a cool dry, it has warm, air dry. So you open it up. And there's the inside. Oh, sorry about the lighting. But this comes off. It comes off, and there's a little filter there that you clean the lint out of every single time you take it out. And then you clean it. But we cleaned it last night, so I'm not going to take it out, but it's easy. It just comes out. You clean it and you click it back in. There's also one here that comes off, and you put that back in there. But it's a pretty decent size. I'm going to actually try it for the first time. So let me get some clothes and sorry for the lighting, guys. Let me get some clothes and I'll there's my washing machine, and we'll see. Sorry about the lighting, guys. There you go. Let me get some laundry and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with some laundry. I got the baby's clothes in here. I still have room here, but I just wanted to do some of it. I don't want to overdo it. And I got 2 dryer sheets in there. Here's Nick. Say hi. Hi. Look. Say hi. Do you want to close it? Close it. Close it. Thank you. Okay. So let's turn it on. Let's do 200 minutes, and we'll set a timer for 30 minutes and check it then and see how it is. And I'll be back. Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how loud it is, which it's not loud at all, really. And it shakes a little tiny bit, but it's stable up there. It's not gonna fall or anything like that. So it smells good in my house. It smells like laundry in here. I love it. I love the smell of Gain. And I also use the Gain sheets, because dryer sheets, because I use Gain detergent, but I also use for a softener Suavitel. It smells amazing. So yeah, I'll check back. I have a timer set. We'll see if it's drying or not, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back, and it's been about 45 minutes, and I'm gonna check it. So just open it up, and it's basically dry. It's pretty much dry. Feels nice and dry. Maybe a couple more minutes. Maybe I'll add a little. It's dry, but I can feel a little tiny bit of dampness. But it's only been 45 minutes, so I'm gonna leave it on there a little longer, and it should be good to go. So far, so good, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts on my portable dryer, and I gotta say that I really like it a lot so far. I did a load of my son's clothes earlier, and it took about an hour for it to dry, so that's not bad. But keep in mind that it does take longer for the heavier items because it's not a regular dryer. It doesn't produce as much heat as a regular dryer, so you just have to, you know, remember that. But I recommend it. I love it. I have the smaller size. They have two other sizes. There's like a medium one, and I think it's like 2 point something cubic feet, and then 3 point something. But I got this one for a really good deal, so I'm really glad I got it. I really like it, and it's perfect for small spaces, which is perfect for me because I live in an apartment, and it's over there. See it? And there's my washer. So I like it, and I gave it 2 thumbs up. So yeah, I'll update you guys in about a week and see how it's doing. If you like this video. Okay guys, sorry, my son started being a little difficult. So as I was saying, I really like it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And yes, tomorrow's Thursday. Everybody have a good Thursday, and see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.